Hello everyone, welcome to Learn Geography with Shyamal. In this class, we are going to discuss about the contributions of Chinese geographers in the field of geography. Okay, period was 280 to 1500 AD and main focuses on astronomy, cartography and geographic thought. Okay, this is an important topic for UGC NET examination in geography paper 2. If you are new in my classes, don't forget to subscribe the channel. Okay, let's start the class. Overview: Chinese contribution to geography, time period 200 to 1500 AD, key domains astronomy and cartography, significance state administration and agrarian calendars. Chinese made significant contributions to geography between 200 to 1500 AD. Astronomy played a major role. Knowledge of astronomy and compilation of agrarian calendars helped the state control the productive capacity of the population. By the 2nd century AD, three main schools of cosmology astronomy had emerged. Contributions span cartography, regional description, hydrography, travel accounts, and encyclopedic geography. Chinese geographers were contemporaries of Arab and Greek scholars, often developing independent traditions. Okay, three schools of cosmology and astronomy by 2nd century AD. K-Thein theory and envisaged the heavens as a hemisphere covering the earth, which was shaped like an upturned bowl. Okay, earth center dome model. Han-Tian theory corresponded with the Greek view of heavenly spheres revolving around the globe. Okay, closest to Greek spherical model. Then Swan-He theory and envisaged an infinite space in which the heavenly bodies floated freely, closest to modern infinite universe concept. Okay, these are three schools of cosmology and astronomy in the 2nd century AD. K-Thein theory, Hun-Thein theory, and Swan-He theory. Okay, Yu Kung, earliest Chinese geographical document. Yu Kung, tribute of Yu, work wrote Su Xing, historical classic book, key chapter, tribute of Yu, earliest Chinese geographical document, scope inventory of Shao Empire. Physical geography describes physical features of 9 provinces. Soil classification lists kinds of soil in each province. Waterways describes characteristics, products and waterways running through them. Okay, tribute of Yu, earliest Chinese geographical document in Su Xing. Fei Xiu, father of Chinese geography, period 267 AD. Title: Minister of Public Works, appointed by Chinese Emperor. Collaborator: Sang Heng. Achievement: developed a scientific method of cartography based on a rectangular coordinate system. Fei Xiu plus Sang Heng, rectangular coordinate system in Chinese cartography 267 AD. Okay, he is known as father of Chinese geography. This is an important term. Who is known as father of Chinese geography? Answer will be Fei Xiu. Chu Pen, cartographer of the Mongol era. Background and work: Mongol unification of Asia, compiled cartographic work to summarize new information available due to unification of Mongol with Asia. Impact: his map remained a reference for over 2 centuries. Key geographical insights: Africa's orientation on map, European and Arabic maps, Africa pointing eastwards, and Chu Pen's map, Africa pointing southwards. This was the correct orientation centuries before European maps were corrected. Chu Pen's map was a reference for 200 plus years, correctly depicted Africa as southward pointing triangle. Wang Ling, 5-fold classification of Chinese geography. Wang Ling was a Chinese and Australian educator. Together with Joseph Needham, he suggested a 5-fold classification of Chinese geography. Anthropological geography: Si Kung Tu, illustration of tribute-bearing peoples dating from mid-6th century AD. Folk customs and unfamiliar regions: Fang Tu Si Yu Si, description of folk customs south of China and unfamiliar regions 2nd century AD. Hydrographic books: Sui Xing, Waterways Classic Coastal Description. Local topographics gazetters: Huao Yang Kusi, Historical Geography of Jesuan, written from 4th century AD onwards. Geographical encyclopedias, Xin Dynasty style, compiled in a style similar to that of Strabo. Okay, using net key effect, Wang Ling plus Joseph Needham, 5-fold classification is a frequently asked UGC NET topic. This is a comparative summary of Chinese geographers, scholar, period, key work, and significance. Yu Kung, 2nd century BC. Su Xing, Tribute of Yu, earliest Chinese geographical document, 9 provinces, soil and waterways. Fei Xiu, 267 AD, rectangular coordinate cartography, father of Chinese geography, Wat Sang Heng. Su Chu Pen, Mongol era, cartographic compilation, Africa was southward triangle, map used 200 plus years. Wang Ling, medieval, 5-fold classification with Needham, systematic typology of Chinese geographical literature. 3 schools of cosmology, 2nd century AD, theory, description and analogy. Kai Ten, heavens as a hemisphere, Earth like upturned bowl, dome model. Hu Ten, heavenly spheres revolving around the globe, similar to Greek model. And Suan He, infinite space, infinity space, heavenly bodies float freely, and modern infinite universe. Okay, some practice question for NET examination. Who is known as the father of Chinese geography? Correct answer is option number C, Fei Xiu. Fei Xiu. Which Chinese cosmological theory corresponds with the Greek view of heavenly spheres? Correct answer is option number C, Hun Ten theory. The Tribute of Yu is a chapter in which book? Correct answer is option number B, Su Chu Xing. Chu Pen's map depicted Africa as pointing in which direction? Correct answer is option number D, southward. Okay, contribution of Chinese geographers, period 200 to 150 AD, major contributions in astronomy and cartography. 3 cosmological schools, K Ten Dome, Home Ten Spheres, Suan He, Infinite Space. Yu Kung's Tribute of Yu in Su Xing, earliest Chinese geographical document. Fei Xiu, 267 AD, Hang Hang, rectangular coordinate cartography, called father of Chinese geography. Su Chu Pen correctly depicted Africa as southward pointing triangle, unlike European Arab maps, reference map for 200 plus years. Wang Ling, Joseph Needham, 5-fold classification of Chinese geographical literature. Okay, that's all for today. If you have any doubt and query, just let me know in the comment section. Thanks for watching. Thank you.